Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to Maitland's Mind. Today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to cook Jamaican steamed cabbage.
So to the pot, I'm going to add my butter so it can be melted. Ooh, look at that butter simmering. Okay, here I add my garlic and my sliced onion. You can chop your onion, bell pepper. Look at those colors. They are so beautiful. Some thyme. Ooh, let it saute, let it simmer down, cook down a little bit. Them some pretty colors. Those are some pretty colors. Look at them colors. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. Okay, to the bottom, I add my shredded carrots. And some people slice them, but I like them shredded. You can slice it in nice shapes. But I like to shred mine. Here I am adding my cabbage, some chopped cabbage. Yes, to the pot. Look at that steam coming out that pot. Oh, that's gotta be yummy to my tummy. Here we go. We're gonna let all this simmer. Oh, let's mix it together. Mix it together. Mix it together. Add me some chicken bouillon. And you can use whatever season you like, but I love me some chicken bouillon. And here you go with the black pepper, some seasoned salt, and we gotta continue mixing it together. Mix it together. Lower your lower the fire under the pot, cut that heat down a little bit, cover it, and let it simmer. So here I let it simmer for about 6 or 7 minutes, and here is the end product. So here I'm going to plate it and look at that pretty looking thing right there. Earlier I had made some baked chicken and I'm serving it with my baked chicken for my dinner. Delicious.
Thank you for watching. If you would like to see the demo for my chicken, comment below. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend and tell another friend to tell another friend. Until next time, thank you for watching Maitland's Mind. Thank you, and you have a great day.